Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. In this video, let's unbox and take a look at the Logitech POP Mouse. Inside, you'll get the mouse with a pre-installed battery and some user documentation. Taking a quick tour around the POP Mouse, you'll find that the top case is magnetic. Remove it and you'll find a pre-installed battery which provides you with a stunning 24 months of battery life. Additionally, there's the smart wheel and a customizable top button. At the back, you'll find your power switch and easy switch buttons. The POP Mouse is designed with portability in mind, and the gentle contour allows it to fit snugly in the palm of your hand. The silent touch technology makes every click quiet, and the high precision tracking helps you work on almost any surface. The smart wheel allows you to scroll precisely line by line or just fly through long pages with just the flick of the wheel. The customizable top button is a fun and easy way to send your favorite emojis in a tap. You can assign your favorite emojis via the Logi Options Plus app. But if emojis aren't your vibe, you can even assign other shortcuts like mic mute or snip screen. The Logitech POP Mouse can be connected via Bluetooth or via a Logi Bolt receiver. And with Easy Switch, you can use your mouse with up to 3 different devices and easily switch between them. This is also Logitech Flow enabled, which means you can seamlessly transfer text, images, and files between devices and operating systems. Logitech Flow can be enabled via the Logi Options Plus app. With a colorful, compact design and great features like a smart scroll wheel, a customizable top button, 24 months of battery life, and more, the Logitech POP Mouse is designed to make personality shine on your desktop and beyond. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.